Alright, welcome back to the Figure Trap. My name is Saga, and today we're headed out on a toy hunt. On top of that, we're going to hit up the Mopop Museum, OSMI or something like that in Oregon, as well as the Oregon Zoo. Just going to show you guys a few clips of that. For the most part, this is a toy hunt video, so we're going to get into some toy hunting. So let's do this. Toy hunt time. Yeah.
Alright, starting the collector section over here. Gizmo. This is kind of interesting. I haven't seen that a lot. Pretty cool. And Bam Prestos are cool. Gremlins. I'm not seeing we got this. We got the mummy. Let's crack it open. Let's take a look in here. Yeah. Alright. We've seen him a few times, but always nice to see the mummy. Very cool, very cool. Kind of your standard NECA stuff here. We got Toony Terrors and yep. Alright. Got the brain gremlin. Very cool. I actually already have that guy. Okay. Alright, that's about it over here. Alright, over here in the main toy aisle, what do we have? We have some WWE. Got that Superstars Bray Wyatt. We got some basics up there. Got some basic He-Man stuff. Fortnite. Ooh, look at this guy. That's kind of cool. Don't have Lambro yet. Got Cluck. I have Cluck. Ooh, the red links. That's kind of cool. I do like links a lot, so Metal Mouth. I would consider getting a second links in a different color. Cool. Alright, we got the Barbarian He-Man. Looks like we got Merman back there. Alright, yep. Alright, what do we got up here? We got some of that Archive Wave. We got Palpatine. Got Lando. And more C-3PO. Alright, and Superpowers. Yep, here's what it is. Got the vehicles, that's kind of cool. Yep. Still think this Batwing's pretty cool. Maybe it could be a little cheaper, but it's cool. Alright, we got Black Panther. Yep. Alright. We got McFarlane hiding back there. Transformers. Alright, we got them guys. We got that guy. We got some Foxy from Five Nights at Freddy's. Alright. Yeah. I like how these look. I think it'd be cool if NECA like put out their version of this, and then we'll all wish we would have bought these. Yeah. Some Jurassic Park. Let's see. Got Crocmaster down here. Yeah. Very cool. Alright. What is down here? We got a little bit of the smaller scale Fortnite. Yeah. Alright. And did I miss anything? Batista, Ray. Yeah. Alright. Nope. Alright, we're out here. Alright, y'all. We're over here at the museum now, and then we're headed to the zoo. So get ready for it. Let's go. All right, back to these stores. Let's see what we got. We got some pops here. Yeah, popping. That was popping, y'all. Nothing super interesting to me, but yeah, that's what they got. They got this little tiny section up here. Don't see that one every day. Alright. Here's the NECA section. We got some more pops. We got that Foot Soldiers pack. Got this King Kong here. Yep. We got some Gremlins and the Mummy again. And yeah, a lot of the same stuff that they had at the other Walmarts. Alright, so over here in the Hot Wheels, do they have any Batmobiles? I am on a forever hunt looking for these Batmobiles. Alright, I am not seeing anything, so we are gonna move on. Alright, what do we got over here? Whoa, dude. Whoa, everything is like piled on top of itself. That's messy. Oh, they got the Roton, but like, oh, look at, man, it's like freaking, oh, people. Oh, look at this. Have you ever seen anything that looked like this place? I mean, like, wow, dude. I mean, this is above and beyond destroyed. All right, got some WWE. Wow, this place is just giving me anxiety. It's so messed up. Sheesh. Transformers. We got some Star Trek up here. Let's take a look. Yeah, we got looks like we got some Spock. Little Spock back there. All right, we got some Black Series. Leia and Lando. Leia and Lando. Different kinds of each. Got a Retro Inquisitor. Got some superpowers. Got plenty of that Green Lantern there. Yeah. Alright. Man. Piles. Nobody works this out ever. Buzz Light, who cares? Years. Get some discount. We missed out. Missed out on the discount. Probably don't care anyway. Alright. Let's take a look right here real quick. I think I skimmed too fast here. We got Leech. Snout Spout. We got back there. Just the older ones. Man, even more than showing you guys the toys right now, I'm really just trying to show you what a catastrophe this store is, man. I mean, even over here, look at, like, everything's just everywhere. Trash. Alright, so this is what I picked up. That Crocmaster G.I. Joe classified figure. There was no doubt this was going to end up in my collection at some point. So yeah, this was just the day to pull the trigger. I mean, this hunt had a lot of animals in it, and this package has a gigantic crocodile stuck right up in it. So yeah, very cool, man, very cool. I'm excited to get this guy out of the package and check him out. So, but yeah, thank you guys for coming along with me to the zoo, to the museum, to the toy hunt. As always, man, I appreciate every single one of you, and yeah, just thank you. Nothing else to say, but I'll catch you on the next one. Yeah.